What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out Chunga. Of course, we're gonna check out Queen Chunga. Nah, this is just a visualizer, so I don't know what to expect. From what I've seen, or like the comments at least, the only complaint is like they wish they saw more Chunga than whatever the visualizer is, which is interesting to me. Kind of makes me just want to watch the official audio instead. But I'm here for it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's check out Save Me by Chunga. All right.
Lately I've been floating through the night.
Oh, who that? Is that Chunga?
Searching for the life I left behind. When did everything start changing?
I don't know.
All the memories gone.
Whoa.
I'm running through the seasons of my life. But what if I'm hurting? What if I need someone when gravitation's falling down? Will you be the one? You be the one?
Will I be? I don't know what.
If I need someone, I don't wanna let you down. Will you be the one? You be the one to save me.
Ooh. On some EDM? Save me. Ooh. Okay. Save me. Whoa. These visuals kind of crazy though. But yeah, I saw a comment that they rather see behind the scenes of recording of the song. Oh, unicorn. Oh. Okay. Girl, this makes me want a white girl dance. Seriously. No, they can't really dance to this. Whoa. Okay, period. Let's go, mother. Oh. Okay, okay. Oh. This is also AI edited or AI. Oh, vocal. Okay, period. Oh, Miss Ma'am, she can sing. I bet she didn't expect me to body roll to this song. Bow, ba, ba, ba. Who's the producer of this? Save me! Save me! Save me! Alright, period. Okay, she the unicorn? Hey, shout out Bad Bunny for the halftime show. That shit was lit. Alright, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Chunga Save Me. I agree with everybody else in the comments. Let me like this though. It would be nice to have her recording the song in the studio than just a bunch of computer effects. Maybe didn't have time, stuff like that. But hey, it's always nice to hear her voice and do her thing, be creative. We always miss Chunga. If you're a Chunga fan, you always like we want more. But you know, listen, you just human, so you know you only can do so much, right? I still can't believe I got to interview you and got to meet you on the Ultimate Bias podcast, which you guys could check out. Ultimate Bias podcast or Ultimate Bias K-Popcast. Go check out that interview with me, Soren, and Chunga. So fire. But overall, got me dancing. Got me lip syncing already. I mean, it's a full English song too, right?
What if I need someone when gravity's falling down? Will you be the one? You be the one. What if
Oh, no.
I'm hurting?
I forgot.
If I need
This is my second time listening to this, kind of.
I don't wanna let you down. Will you be the one? You be the one to save me. Will you be the one? You be the one to save me.
All right, y'all. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREKML. Still going. You already know. If you find me, if you refound me, thank you for everything. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, share, comment, like, everything. All that jazz, all that K-popness, all that music greatness. What am I talking about? Anyways, I'll see you guys to the next video. Also, I'm streaming today at 7 p.m. PST. We're going to be checking out more K-pop. Come through on twitch.tv/DreGaming. We do be gaming over there, too. We just recently played Mario Kart World. So if you're a gamer, let me know what you want to see me play. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.